SimuRise Learning is a leading learning and development organization working with mid to large organizations for developing employees on organizational values, key behaviors, and competencies through the power of business simulations and experiential learning. Our business simulations have impacted the performance and productivity for thousands of employees across organizations like Citibank, Abbott, Times Group, and many more. One of our flagship simulations, The Search for the Lost Dutchman's Gold Mine, is a half-day workshop that focuses on developing enabling behaviors in the areas of strategy, implementation, risk-taking, decision-making, trust on leadership, and collaboration. In a simulated environment, the teams are on a 20-day journey to the mountains of Arizona to mine gold and return safely to base camp. Based on how good they are in implementing some key business skills, teams will be able to mine more gold for the organization. The Dutchman's Gold Mine simulation is a great team-building game and collaborative leadership development exercise that helps gear senior and middle management teams for high performance. This tabletop business game is perfect for team-building events, business review, strategy meetings, sales review meets, retreats, management training, and annual business meets. SimuRise leverages game-based learning with some of the best business simulations in the world, like the Lost Dutchman's Gold Mine, to build better, smarter, and more engaged employees. These simulations allow employees to make strategic decisions in a risk-free environment while learning consequences of their actions. This acts like a mirror, helping them remember and apply the learnings at the workplace. We have built immense capabilities to deploy simultaneous rollouts for large audiences, from 50 to 300 plus participants with ease. If you are interested in developing your employees on organizational core values and key behaviors in a fun and learning manner, please feel free to connect with us. Marketing@simurise.com or visit our website www.simurise.com.